Hey travel lovers, Allison here, your go-to Mexico travel expert, and today I'm diving into an honest review of Hotel Xcaret Arte in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. As a travel blogger that lives in Playa del Carmen, I got the chance to experience this luxurious resort firsthand. So if you're considering a stay here, you're in the right place. Let's break down the pros and cons of Hotel Xcaret Arte. To start with the basics, Hotel Xcaret Arte is one of Grupo Xcaret's luxury, adults-only resorts located in the heart of the Riviera Maya. It offers a sophisticated, all-inclusive experience, complete with unique art and design elements that pay homage to Mexican culture. Opened in 2021, this resort stands out for its modern architecture, lush landscapes, and commitment to Mexican art and heritage. Let's start with the pros of staying at Hotel Xcaret Arte. One of the standout features of Hotel Xcaret Arte is the luxury accommodations. I stayed in an ocean view suite and it was absolutely stunning. The decor blends modern luxury with authentic Mexican touches, featuring local artwork and handcrafted furniture. The room had a living area with a sofa and dining table, as well as a complimentary minibar and espresso machine. Every room comes with a balcony or terrace, complete with an authentic Mexican hammock and reading nook to soak in the views. The rooms are also equipped with modern technology like free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen Apple TV, USB charging ports, and a digital safe. Plus, the bathroom amenities are outstanding. They come with oversized jacuzzi tubs, rainfall showers, bathrobes and slippers, and complimentary toiletries. There's even a disappearing window in the bathroom that you're probably going to have a lot of fun with. Overall, the rooms have everything you need for a comfortable and luxurious stay. By far, one of the biggest perks of staying at Hotel Xcaret Arte is the free access to all Xcaret parks and tours. This can be a huge money saver, as park tickets can be very expensive if purchased separately. These parks offer amazing adventures, from the underground rivers at Xcaret Park to the zip lines and amphibious vehicles at Explore to the high-speed water slides and snorkeling at Xel-Ha. Whether you're into nature, adventure, or cultural experiences, there's something for everyone. Plus, all your transportation is included, so you simply have to hop on the bus and enjoy. The resort also provides complimentary transfers to and from Cancun Airport. This service not only saves you money, but also makes your arrival and departure stress-free. The luxury bus service is comfortable and efficient, taking a little over an hour from the airport to the resort. When it comes to dining, Hotel Xcaret Arte truly excels. With 10 different restaurants, the dining experience is exceptional and the best I've had at any resort in Riviera Maya. From over-the-top buffets to sit-down dining at Asian, Mexican, and international restaurants, the food quality is impressive. They've collaborated with Michelin star-level chefs to elevate their menus, and it really shows in every dish. I highly recommend trying the plant-based dishes at Apachoa and the authentic Mexican cuisine at Cantina VIP. The Mercado de San Juan buffet is probably the most impressive buffet I've ever seen, serving a wide variety of Mexican dishes and desserts, including this incredible candy buffet. When it comes to relaxation, Hotel Xcaret Arte goes above and beyond. The main infinity pool is a central hub, offering breathtaking ocean views and a swim-up bar. Additionally, each casa has its own rooftop pool, providing plenty of options to unwind. The pools are a real highlight, with stunning views and plenty of lounge chairs and beds. And on top of the pools, the resort also has gorgeous emerald lagoons that surround the property, with sandy beach areas, as well as complimentary kayaking and paddleboarding. For those seeking tranquility, the Maluk Spa offers a unique natural rock setting for various treatments and hydrotherapy rituals. It's an exotic and serene experience you won't find anywhere else. The resort also stands out for its unique art and design concept. The property is like a living art gallery with sculptures, murals, and workshops in each of the 6 casas or buildings themed around different art forms. From textile workshops to Latin dance lessons, there's plenty to engage your creative side. The attention to detail in the design and decor is truly impressive, and you don't have to be an art connoisseur to appreciate the beauty and creativity all around you. Now, let's talk about the exceptional service. From the moment you arrive, the staff makes you feel incredibly welcome. You're greeted with a cold towel and Mexican popsicle, which is such a nice touch. Throughout my stay, the service was consistently attentive and friendly. Whether it was at the front desk, the restaurants, or around the pool, the staff always made sure my needs were met. They were proactive in offering assistance, whether it was bringing drinks to my poolside chair or helping with reservations for activities and dining. They always greeted me by name and remembered all of my food allergies no matter where I was dining. It's definitely 5-star level of service, and the personalized attention really sets this resort apart. Now, let's talk about a few of the cons of Hotel Xcaret Arte. One of the main cons is the cost. Hotel Xcaret Arte is definitely on the pricier side and may not be suitable for all budgets. However, considering the luxury and inclusions like park access and airport transfers, it really does offer good value. It's a 5-star resort, and you definitely get what you pay for. If you're looking for discounts, make sure to check the link in the description for the latest promotional offers. Probably the biggest con of the resort is the beach area, which can be pretty rocky and not always ideal for swimming. It really depends on the weather conditions. However, the resort makes up for this with multiple pools, including the rooftop infinity pools, and man-made beach areas all around the Emerald Lagoons. The pools and lagoons offer plenty of lounging options, making it easy to relax and enjoy the water even if the beach isn't perfect. Plus, the beaches around the lagoons are actually an advantage because you'll always have a beach area to enjoy even if the seaweed gets bad. With 900 rooms, the resort is located on a huge property, which can be a bit overwhelming to navigate, and you might find yourself walking a lot. I definitely got lost a few times. Make sure to download the Xcaret Hotels app for interactive maps and navigation help. The property size also means that there are lots of winding pathways and some steps, which might be challenging for those with mobility issues. If you're looking for a lively nightlife scene, Hotel Xcaret Arte might not be the best place. The resort is pretty quiet at night with only the Deseo speakeasy and occasional shows. For more vibrant nightlife, you might want to take a taxi to Playa del Carmen, which offers a variety of bars and nightclubs. Additionally, while the room service is available 24 hours a day, the menu is somewhat basic compared to the elevated gastronomy offered at the restaurants. If you prefer dining in your room, you might find the options a bit limited with just simple pasta dishes, burgers, and salads. Another aspect to consider is the resort's focus on art-themed activities. If you're looking for traditional all-inclusive resort activities like tequila volleyball, bingo, or karaoke nights, you might be disappointed. The main activities here are artist workshops and cultural experiences, which are fantastic but may not appeal to everyone. Plus, the real focus is all the activities you can do at the Xcaret parks. So, is Hotel Xcaret Arte worth it? Absolutely. Despite a few cons, the luxurious accommodations, incredible dining, free park access, and exceptional service make it a fantastic choice for an adults-only getaway. Whether you're a couple, on a honeymoon, or traveling with friends, this resort offers a truly memorable experience. I hope this Hotel Xcaret Arte review helps you decide if Hotel Xcaret Arte is right for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the latest discounts and promotional offers. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my latest travel tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and hope you get to experience Hotel Xcaret Arte for yourself.